today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new Coach bag that I got for my birthday. My birthday hasn't passed yet. It's in a couple of days, but I decided to get myself an early birthday gift and I went with a Coach bag like I did a couple years ago. This year I decided that I wanted to get myself a small bag because I typically go for big bags and I love big bags. I still buy big bags all the time. This year I really wanted a cute small purse, a cute small shoulder bag that I could just kind of carry with only my absolute necessities like my phone, my wallet, keys, maybe some lip products. When I was first on the Coach outlet website, I couldn't decide between two bags. One of the bags is the one that I got, which you guys should already know which one it is by the title. And then the other bag I really wanted to get was this bag right here. I'll put a picture of it somewhere here, called the Eliza shoulder bag. And I really wanted that one at first, really bad. I thought for sure that was going to be the bag I was going to go with. And then I saw this one, which is the Faye bag. And I just really loved that with the Faye bag, you could wear it in different ways. You could wear it in 3 different ways. So I think that's what kind of made me decide on the Faye bag instead of the Eliza. Hopefully it looks just as cute as it did on the website, and hopefully I love it. So anyways, enough yapping, let's get to the bag. Oh. Here she is. Let's take off all of the plastic wrapping. Here she is. Look how cute she is. It's actually a little bigger than I thought it was going to be, so this can totally work for me. And I love the little ruching that it has. I got it in the color black with silver hardware. I actually prefer silver hardware over gold. So when I saw they had it in the silver hardware and black, I knew that I really wanted this one. So let me take off everything and show you what it truly looks like. Here is what it looks like. Look how cute. The opening is a magnetic closure, so it closes and opens really easily. It actually has a good amount of space in here. I'm gonna see what I could fit in it later, but this is what the inside looks like. So I'm going to take the shoulder strap off to show you guys the other way that you can wear it. You can actually pull the sides like this. You can hold it from the little handles and put it on your wrist and carry it like this. Probably gonna get some cute little purse charms for it and hang them right here as well. Stretch it back open like that and then attach the shoulder strap. Just attach the shoulder strap back like that and it's a cute little shoulder bag. And then it also comes with an extra strap which is way longer. So this is the crossbody strap, so you could also wear it crossbody, which is a big plus for me because I actually really prefer crossbody bags so that I can have my hands free. Here is a little 360 of the bag. This is the front, the side, the back. Let me move the handle. The other side with the little tag. So this is what the Faye shoulder bag looks like. What do you guys think? So I love her and I think she's a great birthday present to myself. And I think I'm going to keep her and add her to my purse collection. Overall, I love that you can wear it in so many different ways. I can't wait to add some purse charms to it. I think it'll make it look even cuter. I don't know if I can show you what it looks like on the shoulder. Let me know if you guys want a video where I show what I can fit inside of this little bag, or what's in my bag with this bag. Let me know in the comments. I'll definitely film one of those if you guys are interested. That's going to be it for my birthday bag unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!